Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Global Happenings today. This is actually breaking. Some days back, Nnamdi Kanu's legal team were in very high spirit over the fact that they have given some considerations to the fact that if they could defend their arts right and defend their cause, by all means, Nnamdi Kanu may get bail. But as we speak, just few hours into the real deal where the legal battle will begin, things have changed. The federal government have changed a lot of things. Indeed, these guys need to get set for a real battle because Nnamdi Kanu is still not out of the cold yet. But before we go into the news proper to find out the latest on this ground of Nnamdi Kanu's trial, I'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as you update a channel on YouTube. Okay, let's go quickly to the news. Well, according to the news, the federal government on Monday today entered very fresh terrorism allegations against the detained leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. That's the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. FG, that's the federal government, in the amended process it filed before the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja, increased the count in the initial charge it preferred against Kanu. The Indigenous People of Biafran leader, who was hitherto facing a 7-count treasonable felony charges, will now enter his fresh plea to a 15-count amended charge marked FHC/ABJ/CR/383/2015, that's 2015, and signed by the Director of Public Prosecution, DPP MB Abubakar. The federal government amended the charge barely 24 hours to the scheduled commencement of hearing by trial justice, that's Binta Yanko. I don't know how this will play, but let's continue with the news. The court had on December 2nd fixed Tuesday to hear some pending applications, including the one Kanu filed to be discharged and acquitted. Now, I don't know how this will play out. Let's look at this. I honestly, I don't pray be in Ifeanyi Ejiofor's seat right now because the seat is going to be a hot one. Now they are prepared. They've given them 3 days notice. Okay, they gave them adequate notice that you're going to prepare for this, for your bail to be discharged and acquitted. They've already filed all the necessary documents to ensure that Nnamdi Kanu is discharged and acquitted by the time they go into the legal battle. They're ready. They've done their documentations. In fact, they're ready to the teeth. If you've been if you've been feeling the pulse of Ifeanyi Ejiofor feelers from that camp, you notice that they are very ready. They've got a new person into their team, a senior advocate of Nigeria. They've looked at the pros and cons, the conditions, the possibilities, and the adverse effect, or what may likely be the fate of Nnamdi Kanu if things go bad. They have analyzed everything. They are sure. They've crossed their T's, they've dotted their I's. Only for them to get this road shock of pulling the carpet under their legs, whereby they are prepared for 7. Now it has increased to 15. No pre-information, nothing, just hours, barely 12 hours, barely. If you are counting the night hours, then you're looking at barely 10 hours into the whole thing. And now, how are they going to start, going through those 15 amended, 7 amended charges to 15? That's extra 8. My God, that they will need to begin to, expunge some, begin to counter. That means they have to go all through the night. Justice Binta Yanko gave them they have 3 days to prove their worth. So they have 18, 19, 20. If they can get the acts right, Nnamdi Kanu may get to bail. But now they've increased it from 7 to 18. 7 to 15, which means they may need to start trashing each one after the other. Till, my God, honestly, when it comes to the issue of legal games, it's a different ball game. I wish them all the best of luck. Honestly, I really do wish them the best of luck. But the question now is, what is in those charges? Like Ifeanyi Ejiofor said at some point at the beginning.